How to recover deleted chats from Instagram. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily recover all of the deleted chats on Instagram. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Instagram and then make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you can go ahead and open up your chat section. And if you have deleted any chat like this, and once you have deleted your chat, what you can do is access this within 30 days. But if the 30 days mark has been passed, you won't be able to recover it. To do that, you just head over to your profile section and then tap on the three lines to head over to your account center. And here you will see your information and permissions. Tap on it, and then you have an option to download your information. Then you can download or transfer your information. Just tap on it, select the account, tap on next, and then you can download all of the available information, which I don't want. So I'm just going to select my particular information, which is messages, and then tap on next. And you can directly download it to your device and then create a file. It will be on the HTML format and it will be notified on your Gmail. So just tap on create files, and once your download information is ready, you should be able to download it from here. That's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.